All right, so Yeezys are being sold again, but this is a pair of Yeezy slides that I got directly from the Yeezy Supply site. I believe that's where it was at. Anyways, it's an official site for Kanye's products now. They're $20 though, which is crazy. I can feel the foam through this crazy packaging here. I wanted to open it for you guys so you could see how amazing the packaging is. I mean, I don't know. I can't think of a brand that's had more of a fall off than what Kanye has done to his own brand, unfortunately. That being said, I still bought it. I mean, I'm very interested in seeing if it's any good. So I wanted to buy these and give you guys my honest opinion. But crazy, man. All right, so plastic bag came from China. It smells like Temu. I'm gonna be honest. I've said this in the last review. This is the Yeezy slide. Comes in a bag. Oh, it smells terrible. The smell is atrocious. I don't know how to tell you. Well, I mean, it just smells so bad. So you guys know I went to the Philippines, right? Like, I went to the knockoff markets in the Philippines, walked through, saw crazy amounts of fake sneakers. And this looks like a product straight from one of those locations.
Yes, sir, that's nice.
If you want to ask how much, I can ask for 40.
Yeah, but now not so many.
Then eventually Yeezy would come out with that same color. And then just wants to bother. Wanna go in?
Yeah. How much are the Red Octobers? The feeling in hand, comparison to the real Yeezy slides, they're squishy, they're soft feeling. It also feels a little bit oily, which is interesting. Like, it leaves a residue on my fingers. So, I mean, it is only $20. So I know last time I did a video, like, people were like, well, what do you expect? You only paid $20 for those shoes or whatever. The weird, like, all like foam ones that he had. But they were like warped in a bag just like this and smelled terrible and looked terrible as well. This is the same thing with these. That's exactly the same sentiment I get with this. But it's $20. Like, what do you expect? Like, I bought $20 Adidas slides though, and I'm super happy with the results of those. They don't feel as like it's questionable as what these ones do. Again, that weird residue is a weird vibe. Any which way, it looks like a Yeezy slide though. Like, honestly, it looks very, very similar. You do have the shark fin sort of bottom, as we've seen in the past. It does say YS-01 on the bottom, and it doesn't have a sizing indicator. Oh, it says 10 US on the side here. So that's the same that we've seen on the Yeezy slides. It is an all foam slide, so across the top, the midsole, the outsole, everything is the same, and it is lighter than the regular Yeezy slides. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a real pair of Yeezy slides to compare them to. I don't have them in hand, but it does feel very much like a real pair, a little bit softer foam, actually, than the real pair. And so on feet, surprisingly good. They're very comfortable on feet. They definitely have a lot of squish, and overall, it feels pretty darn good. I will say it does feel cheap, though. Like, it is like a product that is made a little bit cheaper than the previous, and its appearance, as soon as you get them, again, it feels like where it's kind of sketch, it's smelly, it has like a little bit of a residue, it feels cheaper, it probably will wear down a lot faster as well after wearing them. But for 20 bucks directly from Yeezy, it's kind of like not a bad deal, to be honest, especially if you've liked that Yeezy slide look in the past. You're getting an updated version of that. I went with a size 10. Normally I'm a 9.5, and the size 10 fits me pretty much the way I want it to fit. Yeah, I don't know. There's not much else to be said about this. Like, how do you guys feel about Kanye releasing something like this? And how is it possible that he's able to release stuff that looks very much similar, almost like a replica pair of his own product from the official release from Adidas, and now he's releasing his own rep version, basically, but that's the official version? Like, that's the part of it that I think that is the most, like, head scratcher to me. Like, obviously he wants to make money. Like, making something that's kind of affordable is kind of cool, but I also like question the motive behind that. I'm honestly just curious though how he doesn't get sued from Adidas by making these slides, because they are basically like his slides that he made with Adidas. However, he can't make those anymore. They took off the Adidas branding on it, but the bread and butter of this slide looks exactly the same. So, and when it's sold directly to the consumer, I'm sure there's not as much cost to making them, so he can have them scaled down in price. But there's two sides of this. Like, yeah, it's like, can he legally sell this when Adidas is the one that like actually partnered with him? So why doesn't Adidas like sue Kanye for selling replicas of the Yeezy slides. But on the other side of this whole debate is how many times have we seen big companies take a pair that was a collaboration and then now sell it on their own and then make money on something that didn't have the collaborator in mind, and the original collaborator made $0 off of the updated product. We've seen that in the past for certain collabs here and there from a Nike and like Adidas and stuff like that. So really, Adidas can't sell these without Kanye. But some people were saying that they've been selling things that are very similar to what Kanye has done in the past already and made their own versions, like a foam runner and that type of stuff. I think it's an interesting use case where we're seeing the collaborator, in this case Kanye, release his own version of what was his Yeezy slides with the major brand. And again, it feels and smells almost like something that I saw in the Philippines, where it's just completely like fake. It's like it's a fake feeling shoe. There's nothing necessarily wrong with that. So really, you can pay like $20 plus shipping or whatever on a pair of these if they're still available. You could always go on the open market to buy a pair of Yeezy slides, but honestly, 100% my solution would just to be looking for other slides that are actively being created from other brands. Adidas has a bunch of great slides. New Balance has some great slides. Nike has some good slides as well. I've done a lot of top 10 slide videos for comfort. So check out those videos if you guys are interested, because there's a lot of them that are worth a look. This one I think is an interesting one. I don't know, man. I'm kind of torn. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about Kanye releasing his own Yeezy slide. I think it's an interesting move. It's not a bad move if he's trying to make money. And after getting him in hand and on feet, it just feels like a cheaper version of what he's created with Adidas, but at a much, much lower price. So it might be worth it for you guys if you're interested. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the quick look at him. Have a good one. Hopefully see you back on the channel for some more vids. All right. See you guys.